It is truly my distinct honor to be here today to celebrate the launch of NEST360 Phase 2 and the commitment of increased newborn survival in sub-Saharan Africa. Since its launch in 2019, NEST360 partners have collaborated with government officials in Tanzania, Malawi, Kenya, and Nigeria to implement services in hospitals and have seen improvements in coverage of care and survival throughout these countries.
To me, NEST360 is a partner, a true partner to this government, because they're really contributing towards the vision of this country.
Collaborating with the government and other partners in reducing newborn mortality is very important and a priority to the country, but a priority globally and also a priority as Ifakara Health Institute.
At the moment we had this support from NEST, we supported Mwananyamala. Okay, actually the government did put a structure. NEST came in, they brought equipment, they trained staff, commodities and other stuff. We saw how Mwananyamala and the other regional hospitals were able to reduce the congestion at the national hospital, that is Muhimbili. It was very normal to find one baby cot with 6 to 7 newborns. But now when you go there, one baby cot is for one baby. Yeah, why? Because of the partnership with people like NEST360 who have worked with the government put in resources, they also did put their resources, and we've taken down the number. So now we are not just talking about reducing neonatal mortality, but we're also talking about infection prevention control.
We worked with the government, the Ministry of Health, and the relevant stakeholders, the professional associations, clinicians, biomedical engineering, nursing, and also the universities and institutions, including the biomedical institutions, to tailor and make the health system building blocks responsive towards the small and sick newborn care.
Our students have been visiting the hospitals and they try to identify problems with the biomedical equipment. They bring them to the design studio and they fix them. And because there are a number of facilities that are available within the design studio, it is easier for them to make sure that they diagnose the problem and then they can suggest the solution.
To be able to solve most pressing problems, you have to collaborate and partner. It's one thing to develop technologies in the lab, but if you don't have the partnerships that understand the societal issues, the cultural issues, the economic issues, the problems won't be solved adequately. And so having these partnerships, having our students work with the students here, having our researchers collaborate is the only way we'll really make an impact.